I loved this YouTuber hobby. In the morning, I was selling an apartment in the office. Afternoon, Cihan came and I took Boğaçan. We escaped to Riva. We are on the Asian side of Istanbul, Beykoz.
Northern
It
side.
took only 40 minutes for us to reach this point. Amazing sea view. So we enjoy the day here. I see the entrance of creek. All the mountains are green, and we have an amazing beach and sea view. Even we see the third bridge legs over there. When you follow this creek, inside the creek there are very nice fish restaurants.
Yeah.
So you can come and enjoy these locations. Also, you say there will be
And
marina.
also there will be some projects located around the creek,
Mhm.
and it will seem like Venedik.
Venice.
Venice. I don't know when. Actually, we don't know when. But according to the governmental project, it seems like this. And on the other hand, there will be a new marine next to the beach, so that if you have a house in here, you can also have a boat in marine, so that you can enjoy spending time like a summer house besides permanent living.
So what I see is Istanbul is full of surprises. 39 cities, Asian side, European side, Polonezköy, Riva, on the other side Kilyos, on the Bosphorus you have amazing locations, Bebek, Ortaköy, and Riva is one of the surprises of Istanbul, that in one city, in one city in the middle of the world, you can have full of facilities, beaches.
Every town includes different features.
Yes, Riva is one of them.
Yeah. Hidden heaven.
You feel this wind?
Yeah.
If you are coming to Istanbul, you should come and see here. After we drink our teas, we will pass to the house.
Yeah.
Believe it or not, we are in Istanbul right now. Located seafront position of Riva in Beykoz. We came to this point in only 40 minutes distance from our office, which is nothing for this peace, quietness, serenity. Walking distance to beach. You have a private 730 meters square land, private swimming pool, 250 meters square indoor area house. You can live here full year, not only summer house. It's summer now, we enjoy the view, but this is an amazing point. Let's see the house. This 4th-floor house is offering you full privacy. We are right now in the living room of the house. Here we have a fireplace which can heat up all the house. So in winter days, just firing up your fireplace will make you like central heating for the whole house. Extra, we have also central heating. And on the top, if you start from the top, there we have a roof There is a one bedroom there, a toilet, and one floor down there are two bedrooms and one shower room. And here is the down floor, ground floor, living room, and the kitchen, and the toilet as well. And downstairs, basement, we have a sauna room, hobby room you can use. And in front of the house, we have a small building for the stuff or extra things. And underneath of that building is indoor parking of the house. And right now, I am looking to an amazing sea view. I enjoyed the day a lot. We spent half of the day in Riva. You have seen the creek. There will be many investments there. They are planning marina, many more tourism investments in this location. This position still so natural. Nothing has been built here. So you can see the sunset, sunrise, this amazing sea view. If you would like to see more about Riva, you can come with us. See you on the next video. Thank you for watching.